morning, everyone. This is Eric again, Northwest Bus Sales. Thank you for your time. Alright, check this video right here. What we got? This is a 2007 Bluebird All-American. 78 passenger. And let's check it out on the inside. The little grab bars look them inside. Grab bars. Got the toolbox there. Wait, why is there missing a Bluebird? Well, the Bluebird's missing now before this guy's doing that. Alright, got the ship pad, automatic, transmatic, spin off. Got the Bluebird there. Check out the miles. Oh my gosh. 37 miles. Oh, wait. Okay, so 16 miles. So this is a combination. I'm gonna do that. Get some right here. Command controls there. Alright, check out the passenger. All your fans are here. AC, Bluebird, midship, 2 midship door, traverse side. Oops, custom adjustment, guys like that. Light, dumb lights there. Silhouette here. Let's see, we got the emergency exit window. And also got the sun visors in. There's a intercom mirror, radio here. Look here. Panasonic radio. Alright, that's enough for intro. Let's cruise outside a little bit. Gonna drop a set out here. Look at this, see down underneath. Wow, how was that? Alright, the train. Look at this buddy. I'll tell you what. $5 and trader. Doing that. See that's in the window. Alright, so this is powered by the Caliper C7 7.2 liter turbo diesel engine. Oh my gosh, Cat C7. Okay. Check out the tires here. Check it out. Hey, so this is, let's see the driver's side tire here. Okay, forgot not to do it. 2007 Bluebird All-American 78 passenger on a Cat C7. Yeah, check us out online at nwbus.com. Please call any questions. 800-231-7099. Thanks.